Life Path Education and Migration Private Limited. Let's discuss how to purchase Swisscare insurance step by step.
By now, we have successfully filled in the required details for the Swisscare insurance. When you click the Back to Homepage button on the screen, you will be redirected to the Swisscare login page. If you are not redirected to this page, open a new tab and type in the Swisscare official website. Then click the login icon at the top of the page. You will then be on the Swisscare login page. If you are not automatically redirected to it, as taught previously, you can manually log into this page. Now they are asking for an email and a password. By now, we have received an activation email. Let's go to our inbox and check. Here in our inbox, we can see an email from Swisscare titled Registration Confirmation to my Swisscare account. Open the email and click on the button that says Activate your account. So let's click it. Now they are asking us to create a password. Enter a password that you can easily remember. Re-enter the same password to confirm. Okay, by now your account has been successfully activated. Once again, enter your email and password to login. Then click the login button. By now you have received a verification code via email. Let's go to the email and copy the verification code. Then paste it in the verification code field. Click the Sign in Security button. Okay, by now you have successfully filled in the necessary details for the Swisscare insurance and created your Swisscare account. In here, you will see the Pay Now button along with the details related to your insurance policy. Now click on the International Student Health Insurance button. Once you click this, you will see a summary of your filled details such as your name, date of birth, address, country, and all other important information. Let's go back page and click on the Pay Now button. In here, you will see the amount listed as €219. The credit card option has already been automatically selected for us. Now add your card details and click on the Pay Now button to continue with the payment. If you have given all the details about the card correctly, click on the Pay button. Then your bank will send an OTP to your phone number. You have to type the OTP number on that text box. After that, you will receive a message saying that your payment is successful. Now you will see a button called Download Policy under the International Student Health Insurance Europe section. Just click on the button. Then please click the button called Download Policy. So you have now successfully purchased and downloaded our Swisscare insurance policy.
TN Solutions. Innovations beyond excellence.